Hello my friends, today I installed to my Tesla Model Y to the screen glass screen protection, premium tempered glass, and I will show you it. You can see it's perfect installed. There is no one bulbs or bulbs, how is it? And it's very clean, nothing there. It's perfect. Let's try and we'll see uh, is it leaves fingerprints on it. There is nothing. No, it's very good. Maybe here one air bulb or bulb, maybe here, but it's okay. I think so. Only just in this place there's little bit, but I think maybe it's later gone away. Okay, and I will leave a link where you can buy this screen protection if you live in Finland. There is a internet store, and also you can come to this store and buy this screen. There are many things, many accessories for Tesla you can buy, not just only for Tesla Model Y, but others also, our others Tesla models also, you can find something there. I was there today, and I will add this video. I thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and you can watch more video about my using of Tesla Model Y, and I show you experience using Tesla in Finland. You can watch what kind of chargers, superchargers of Tesla we have, and other things. So welcome, bye bye.